So technology doesn't always have to be a big splurge to make a big splash. In today's Tech Check, smaller gadgets you could tuck in a stocking that still carry the cool factor. Deseret News columnist Amy Iverson is here with her picks of the season in this category. And I think that's kind of a break tap, like technology as a smaller gift, a stocking stuffer.
Yes, well, it all started with one gift I ended up buying some people. And I thought, okay, this is a great way to make those older kids happy, or maybe adults, and still, you know, little stocking stuffers. So fun.
All right, tell us what's catching your eye. First on the list, a USB lighter.
Oh, yes. So you forget to blow out your candle, or like there's all these things where you're like, you're going to use your lighter and you go to get it and it's out. That happens to me all the time.
Yeah.
And I hate those lighters. So I love this because it's rechargeable. It's electric. So it has just this little arc that goes between those top two things, and it will light forever. You just recharge. You're never going to run out of butane. You're never searching for another lighter because you have 50 of them stashed around the house.
I'm going to ask a dumb question. Like my Bath & Body Works candle, it will light a regular candle.
It'll light anything. It'll light your grill.
Birthday
It'll
candles.
Light your fireworks.
We tore apart my mom's kitchen a couple weeks ago looking for birthday
candles.
candles.
Let me tell you the other fabulous thing about it, windproof. So you know you're outside and you're trying to light, I always think of fireworks because it's like you're trying to light, or your birthday cake outside.
Right.
Windproof, you'll never fail with this electric lighter.
Okay, AirTags made your list, and I have to tell you, we just invested in a couple of these for the remote control to tuck behind our little Apple. You know, why are they so small? But it's become the best game my kids love to play, like the tech hide and seek version.
Well, so Apple AirTags, these are the trackers you can put on anything. That's a great one. People think of like their keys, their wallet, but also people are putting these in their checked luggage, right? Because people are getting their luggage lost now.
Right.
So you don't have to buy these from Apple. But I did, because look what they do. They will personalize them for you.
They did that for you?
Yes. So I did like several. So you can buy them single for $30, a 4-pack's $100. Free personalization. So if you lose anything from your dog to your luggage, you can get on your phone and track it. The other thing that's amazing is if you lose it and you have no idea where it could possibly be, it'll send out a Bluetooth encrypted signal to everyone who has an iPhone or a Mac. And so no matter where you left it in the world, it's going to ping to someone's phone anonymously, but you will get that information on your phone.
And this is where my kids right here like to play it. Like, where is it in the house?
It's hot or colder, so it tells you what direction and how far away, but how many times are you searching? I mean, me personally, I'll just say my keys, my wallet, little things like that. You'll never lose them again.
Okay, AirTags, from AirTags to the MagSafe battery pack. Tell us about this.
So everyone has those chargers. You have to take them to Disneyland, right? Because your phone runs out of battery. Well, the MagSafe, which is what a lot of the iPhones have now, the magnetic hooker on the backer. And
technical.
They now, just a couple of years ago, came out with these. So this is a MagSafe battery pack, and it just, no cables. You charge that up before you leave the house, and then it just clicks right to the back of your phone.
What?
And it's charging.
What?
Yeah, so you have no cords. I hate cords.
You should see my purse right now. It's a tangled mess of cords.
Yes, so it's pretty thin. And again, you can buy these brand name from Apple for about $100, but I got this one for $30, an off-brand. Just look for the Made for MagSafe label on it. That means it meets Apple requirements.
I hope Santa's watching. Adding to list, adding to cart, adding to list. It's all the same these days. We love the Pura dispenser at my house. Yeah.
Okay, well, so this is what I was saying. I got mixed up because I was talking candles, but you know, you forget to blow out your candle, or I'm thinking I use like the plugins, but I'm like, I am like making my home smell amazing while I'm gone all day, and it wastes, and then it's gone in 2 seconds. So this is a diffuser you plug into your wall, and you can schedule when the scent will come out. You can schedule times, you can schedule intensity, and then also it has like an ambient LED light, and you do all of this through an app on your phone. There are even, and they have all the scents we love, like Capri Blue. They've partnered with Anthropology and Disney, but they also have some for men. I wrote this down because I loved it. So like NBA star James Harden partnered with them. Oh boy. And he has one called 13 Confidence that is, quote, bold fusion of bracing spices and marine freshness.
I'll be sticking with my Capri Blue, but okay.
For everyone, there's something for everyone.
Well, I was surprised too how user-friendly it is. Like, I realized who's saying this. I am, it was
you
really
easily
easy.
did it on your app.
Thank you.
And then you're not wasting the scent when you're
All
out
right,
there.
pocket warmers, you say we can do one better?
Yes, so you've seen those. They kind of almost look like that rechargeable battery, and you can hold them and they make your hands warm. Well, I was like, then you can't do anything. If you have to be holding that, you can't do anything. So I found this company, Daywolf, loved them. They not only have electric heated gloves, but socks. So it just has a little battery pack that hits right by your calf, and it will toast your whole feet.
There you go.
For hours. Hours. So for me, a lot of winter things, I'm like, I'm out. I can't have my feet cold. This way, you just charge those puppies, and your puppies
And you say
will
toasted
stay warm.
for hours.
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 And 3 settings.
Okay.
3 settings, low, medium,
We
high.
love it. Stocking stuffers, most of them falling under the $50 range, so affordable and small tech gifts you can hand to those who will appreciate it on your list. You've got direct links in your column.
Yes, Deseret.com/Amy.
All right, thanks, Amy.
Thanks.